Hello, fellow rideshare drivers. This is James, also known as NoCo Uber Guy. I just want to talk to you for a couple minutes today about something pretty important. Um, First of all, just found out today that starting next year, so we still have a year on this. They want us to do it now, but it's not required. But next year, as 1099 independent contractors, we will be required to file quarterly statements with a tax payment. So, and if you don't do that, if you wait till the end of the year, you'll actually be penalized for each quarter that you do not do it. So this is kind of a big deal. Um, so I just wanted to bring that to everybody's attention. Make sure they understood that. Check with your tax person. Make sure that you have all the proper information. It's usually a pretty simple process. It's just a one-page sheet you fill out. It says here, this is what I made. This is what my expenditures were. This is what I made after expenditures, and this is the amount of tax that I'm supposed to pay for this quarter. So basically that way you don't get behind on your taxes. A lot of Uber people this year and rideshare drivers alike woke up to the fact that, yeah, we get hit with all kinds of taxes for doing this rideshare thing. And I really feel bad for the people that are making less than $1 a mile. I mean, it's disgusting. Make sure you keep track of all your miles. I keep a piece of paper in my car that has starting and ending mileage, and then I put it into a program on my computer at the end of the day, and it just keeps track of all my miles. You should get about 54 cents a mile as a rebate against what you made. So like last year, I don't remember exactly how many miles I did. It's on my computer, but my tax credit for that was $8,000. So that was pretty nice because it brought it down to where, it kind of says, and that includes like your fuel, your repairs, insurance, maintenance, things like that. So all that's included in your rebate, and I believe it's 54 cents a mile. As stands today. I don't know what it'll be next year. They may change that, but the point is keep track of your miles. A lot of people I know in my local area are doing this for fun, and it no longer became fun when they realized, oh my God, I didn't keep track of my mileage. So now I've got to pay 3 times the amount of taxes that I should have, or they just lie, which eventually, the government hired thousands of new IRS agents, so they're not just going to sit around and twiddle their thumbs. They're going to be out auditing people. And the way Uber runs their business and goes about pissing off the American government, I'm pretty sure a lot of us are going to end up with audits in the next year or two, maybe even this year. So I would just be very wary of lying. So I just keep those handwritten notes on my days and times that I drive for Uber, because I'm an Uber driver. And then I filed those sheets away in an envelope specifically for my rideshare business. And that's exactly what it is. It's a business. You'll be taxed as a business, and you have to follow all the business rules. So I just wanted to bring everybody's attention to that and make sure that you were aware that this was coming down the pike, and hopefully save you guys a bunch of money. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, post them in the link below, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.